Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're coming on this channel, you're welcome. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on all other social media platforms. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make banana bread. Welcome back. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to be showing you how to make banana bread for today. And we all really need three ingredients as usual. So yeah, we need banana, very ripe banana. Remember guys, stop throwing out your banana, your overripe banana. You can use them for so many things. This is one of them. So you need ripe banana, like really ripe banana. Mash them together and mix it with condensed milk. I just pour in my condensed milk to my to my mashed banana. So I'm just trying to mix them up together right now. So when you mix the banana and the condensed milk together, then you add your self-rising flour. And if in case you don't have a self-rising flour, that's okay too. You can use your all-purpose flour. All you need to do is just to add baking powder with salt and basically that's it. Yeah, really. So baking powder, salt, and your all-purpose flour, mix them together, and voila, you have a self-rising flour. But because I love to add a nutmeg to my baking most of the time, so there is a little bit of baking nutmeg in this mixture. So right now I'm sieving my flour into the mixture of the banana and the condensed milk, just to make sure I have a fluffy, lump-free mixture. So guys, I'm so proud of myself that I'm making another video, because I'm always so lazy to do those videos. But yay, I'm making like 2 videos back to back. I posted one last week and here I am posting another one this week. I'm so happy. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave comments, ask me questions. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask me. I will always answer all your questions. And don't forget to follow me on all other social media outlets as well. So right now I'm done sifting through the flour, and I'm just going to mix it very well. Make sure there are no flour lumps in my mixture. So mix it together. If you follow every step properly, you won't even have any problem. This banana bread recipe is so easy. Is so easy. Anybody can make this, and you're gonna have a very yummy banana bread. Easy and yummy banana bread. Yeah, look at it guys, it's almost done. I'm almost done mixing it together. Right now all I need to do is to get my pan. And by the way guys, you can use any pan you have. If you have the disposable pan, which is like the tin foil ones, you can use it, which is what I'm going to be using for this particular one today. And if you have your bread pan, use that, which is also the best one. You can use your bread pan. So and also don't forget to preheat your oven to 375 or 400 degree Celsius. And okay, so guys, this is the kind of consistency you want to have for your banana bread. Did you see how nice it looks? This is what you want. And now I'm going to just spray Pam in my pan. You can use butter to line your pan, to grease your pan. And you can use palm, you can use olive oil, you can use whatever you want, just to make sure there are no lumps in there. There's no sticking to the pan. See guys, we're almost done. Yeah, I'm just trying to get everything out into the pan. No wastage guys, you can't afford to waste anything. Yeah, so I'm just gonna smoothen out the top to make it look so nice and presentable. See, guys, we have everything. Now I'm just gonna heat it to the counter to make sure it's all smooth and nice. And here we have it, guys. Now it goes into the oven and bake it for about 40 to 50 minutes. If you're using a big pan, if you're using a bread pan, you can bake it for about 30 to 35 minutes. And here we have it, guys. This is our banana bread. It's already and nice. Actually, I think I put it back in the oven so because I want it brown. I don't want it like this. I put it back in the oven. After this, you'll see the result later, guys. But I mean, this is what the banana bread looks like. And now I'm just gonna cut it out. Also, guys, don't forget to follow me on all social media. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all other social media, guys. This is it. This is the banana bread. I should have waited for it to get cold, before I cut it. But my kids can't wait to have a try of this because they said it's been a while that I baked it. See, this is what it looked like after I put it back in the oven so that it's really brown. So if you want it really brown, it's gonna look like this. And if you want it like the first type, then you use that. This is it, guys. This is our banana bread. Thank you, and until next time. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye.